Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your CFMOTO Winch Headache Rack. First, you want to start by turning your rack over backwards and take your insert panel and insert it like so. Put your 8mm bolts that come in the kit into the rivet nut and tighten them with a 13mm wrench. Your kit comes with two plastic plugs. They can be inserted in the bottom of the headache rack tube. Cap off your rack. Now you can grab a friend and move your headache rack to the rear of the cab. Starting your bolts. Now you're ready to start all your bolts. You want to put your top bolts in first, but do not tighten them. Then you'll need to put in your 6mm by 65 bolts and spacers at the bottom. Now you're ready to open your winch box. You want to pull out your fair lead and mount it first with the supplied hardware in the winch box. You can go ahead and tighten your fair lead. We're ready to put your winch on now. You want to put a little bit of your rope hanging out of your fair lead. You can tighten your winch with a 10mm. Time to put your winch stopper and your winch hook on. We're now ready to start wiring your winch. You want to start by mounting your winch switch. It goes into a pocket either to the driver's side or to the passenger side. You have removed the bed just to have a better view of the camera. Now you're ready to run your winch switch wire over to the passenger side where the battery is. You want to route your wire away from anything that moves or anything that's hot. The route we took for the wiring to the switch was to come down here and go across behind and follow the factory wiring harness to the battery. We're ready to run your winch wires to your contactor box. You want to start by putting the blue wire to the blue terminal and the yellow wire to the yellow terminal on the back. There are holes cut out along the top of the winch plate. You can use to zip tie your wires to. We chose to route the wire to the passenger side, over the top, and down along the pillar and behind the plastic. It's now time to mount your contactor box. You're going to drill 2 holes in this plastic and mount it with the 2 bolts that come with your handlebar mount kit. Now all it's left to do is to clean up your wiring, tie your excess wiring out of the way. Have you buttoned up all your wiring? It's time to hit the trail.